There is a secret prayer technique that if you use, and you use it regularly, you will manifest miracles in your life easily, without any effort. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach, and today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We believe that you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness that you depend on. So I want to talk about a secret prayer technique, some ideas. It's more than just one technique, it's kind of techniques. But I want you to get into this because this will
shift your whole reality.
And it does it with hardly any effort at all. I mean, all you have to do is say a prayer. It's that simple. And by saying this simple prayer, you will be able to manifest the money you desire, the love you crave. Imagine the relationship that you truly desire easily. How about the money? How about your business? How about a new home, a dream vacation? How about health? Do you know people that are suffering with bad health? Are you struggling with your health? How about your happiness? You know, ever since this COVID thing has taken place, we have talked to so many people that are suffering from, I don't want to say it's depression, it's just a lack of happiness. This secret prayer technique will help you. It may be the answer to your prayers. So high flyers, I want to get right into it. The first thing, this is the premise. You are a co-creator of your reality. Everything that is up here that we call God is in here. You are a reflection of the infinite. The ancients referred to the individual as the micro-universe or the small universe. That means if God is up here and over here and over here, God is also right here. Understanding and claiming your co-creative powers, that you were not put here on earth to merely be a victim of the fates, that you are here as a co-creator. God's force on earth is manifesting through you. John Kennedy said, God's work on earth must truly be our own. So do not pray to God. Pray as God. Neville Goddard made that statement, and some people were offended by it, but they didn't realize that within each one of us is God force energy, is God force power, is God force consciousness. And so rather than begging to a creator up here, you allow the creator within you to speak what you desire into existence. Do not pray to God. Pray as God. And one of the ways you can do that is through future tense gratitude. In other words, as you pray for all the wonderful things that you are manifesting into your life and into the lives of others, and you are already grateful for them, even if they haven't happened yet. This means, high flyers, that if you are currently broke, you're going to be grateful for being wealthy. If you're currently going through a relationship that is having difficulty, you're going to be grateful for having a life and relationship filled with love. If you're struggling with health and happiness, you're going to be grateful for all the wonderful things that are happening in your life that are helping you feel happy and healthy. So high flyers, in addition to including future tense gratitude in your nightly prayers, you might also have a gratitude journal. But look at, let's not intermingle it with things that have happened in the past. That's stuff that you've created in the past. Focus on what you are creating now and include it in your journal, and carry your journal around with you and look at it on and off throughout the day. That'll help reprogram your subconscious mind and keep you connected to the infinite field of potential or the universe, and you'll manifest more of what you desire. Let go of the how. Look at when you're praying, you're not focused on how it's going to, I don't know. I have no idea. I'm sitting in a hotel room with a throwaway flip phone. I have no idea how my life is going to change. I have no idea how I'm going to bring wealth and prosperity into my life. I have no idea how I'm going to rebuild a family. I don't have any idea how it's going to happen. And as I looked back at it, high flyers, I still don't know how it happened. But it did, because at some point, I gave up wondering how it was going to happen. You don't have to know how your marriage is going to be saved. It's going to happen because you are creating it. God within you is coming out and creating the marriage you desire. You don't have to know how the wealth you desire or the company that you desire to build is going to happen. You don't have to know how your song is going to get to the top of the charts. You are creating it. And thus it happens. You do not need to know how. As a matter of fact, if you knew how, you wouldn't believe it anyway. So give up the how. This is critical to manifesting big, big things. Okay? Absolute faith and certainty. There's no need to pray, high flyers, that you want something. You are a co-creator of your reality. You are creating it. So you don't have to want it. Absolute certainty. Absolute faith. Unstoppable faith. Don't believe it's going to happen. You are co-creator. See it as it is so. And then, of course, I believe the best time to pray is as you fall asleep. As you fall asleep every night, the last thing you do before you fall asleep is this short prayer. If you'll use these points, you will be astonished at the miracles that you invoke into your life. It's going to seem like magic, really. It's going to seem like something from out of this world. It's going to seem like something from out of this universe. And it's going to happen in your life right now. Here's some other videos that I know will help you on your journey.